Welcome to the Crypto Lab. Today my voice is a little bit different because I'm sick, but I wanted to do the video anyway because what I'm about to share with you is very important. Last week we explained exactly what the market is currently doing. So if you saw my last video, you know that there is no reason to be afraid. That said, there is no reason to be excited neither. In today's video, I'm going to share an update of the current situation in the regression chart, and also we are going to talk about the big picture chart. Last week, I shared an update of the regression chart, and at that time, we were retesting the green line, which is the bottom regression line. And I said that it needed to hold. Otherwise, we would probably retest the dots that you see here in purple, which is the bottom line of XRP. That's why the price needed to stay above the green line. It's time to have a look at the current situation. So this is the regression chart, and as you know, in green we have the bottom line for the regression line, and then we have the bottom line of XRP in purple. And as you can see, this was last week. And with this candle, we retested the green line, like I said, just right here. But also during the same week, we tried to go above the red line, as you can see, but we got rejected from it. And the price closed below the red line. And I remind you that the red line is just the 400 weeks exponential moving average. Today, the key area to look at is this one, between both lines, between the red line and the green line. Why? Because the price has been stuck in this area for multiple weeks in a row. As you can see, we are using the red line as a strong resistance. We got rejected from it multiple times, but at the same time, we are using the green line as a very strong support. And this is pushing us up every time we retest this line. This is showing a lot of indecision in the market, and the next breakout above the red line or below the green line should give us a pretty clear indication about where the market wants to go. So right now I like to see what I see. It seems that the market is trying to make a decision, and it is a bullish one. But do not get too excited, it's too soon. First, we need an official close of a weekly candle above the red line. This is the first condition. The second one is to have a full body of a candle closing above the red line. And this, we will only know it next week. And without those two conditions, I will still consider that the red line is a resistance and it hasn't been broken. So far so good. I'm very glad to see this strong body coming up to life and going above the red line. This is very positive, and as we predicted, this was a very strong support, and I'm happy to see that we bounce from it and that the price is going up right now. But we need to stay level-headed and to wait for a confirmation first. And to finish this video, I wanted to have a look at the big picture chart. Since the second retest of the mountain indicator in orange, okay, I remind you that this is the mountain indicator in orange, and XRP cannot go below this line. And thanks to this indicator, we predicted the perfect target to buy XRP at the very bottom that we have here. And since this bottom, I've been talking about this area, this confluence area forming, and that it would not be a surprise to see the price attracted to this very same area of confluence. This is the same method that we used again and again and again to anticipate each move in the market months or weeks in advance. And here it's exactly the same thing. Will it happen for sure? Of course not. That said, the more lines joining at the same place, the greater the probability to see the price being attracted to the location. Right now, we have the 180 weeks exponential moving average. We have the last resistance band in red. We have the bull bear market band in red also. And we have the bull market support going down in blue, and all those lines are joining to the same location, which is right here. And with this very recent move with this candle, It seems that the price is heading just to this location. Isn't it amazing? I remind you that we predicted it when we were there, just right here, just looking at the direction of each line going to the same location. This is the power of confluence, guys. So I'm very happy to see that we had this long indecision phase in the market, and this phase is not over yet. As I said, we need confirmation before saying that it is over, but this was a necessary step to have a long-lasting, sustainable reversal to the upside. We need to feel like the bear market is not over. We need to feel like the price could go down tomorrow. And right now, I feel like the mass is feeling the same way. Do you remember the feeling after this bottom? When we were just right here, let me circle it, just right here. Here we had our bottom, but do you remember the feeling when we were there? After the bottom, we went up, then we went down, and at that time, everybody was saying that XRP was going to zero, okay? Because everybody was scared, very scared. But what did we go? We didn't make a new low, okay? We made a higher low, and after we have an explosive move to the upside, and this was an official breakout. So do not be scared in times like this. As an investor, it's during those times that you should be the most active, looking for long-term opportunities. The end of the year is coming, and we know that the market loves to make big moves in that period. So let's see if the price is right and if the price will go just right here in the coming weeks. If it is going there, please guys, share my channel as much as you can, because I think I deserve it, okay? And even if it doesn't go there, it's not a big deal. You can still share my channel. And if it is going back down, we will keep an eye on the green line, because this is our strongest support right now. If you like my content, you can subscribe to the channel. We will get through this together. Give me a thumbs up for the support. It helps a lot. Thank you. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.